Built in 1940, Locomotive 6167 served Canadian National Railways in both passenger and freight roles. Remarkably, during World War II, it was involved in a fatal head-on collision but was repaired and continued in service until 1960. In 1967, CN gifted the locomotive to the city of Guelph to commemorate Canada's centennial. A dedicated restoration effort was launched by the city in 2002, culminating in the locomotive becoming part of the Guelph Museum's collection in 2014. Originally located near Guelph Central Station, transportation infrastructure changes required its relocation. On November 14, 2020, the 490,000-pound locomotive was carefully moved, with a crane and road closures, to its current resting spot at John Galt Park beside the River Run Centre. Now situated beside at Woolwich Street and McDonald Street in John Galt Park, the locomotive serves as a local landmark. It's a vibrant part of both the downtown trail network and Guelph's broader heritage narrative, offering photo opportunities and historical insights for visitors.